He looks like he eats a lot of candy.
I do love food. I even enjoy watching people make food. But you ever notice the Food Network is far more interesting when you're hungry? When you're full, you're like, this is stupid. But when you're hungry, the Food Network's like porn. You're like, oh yeah.
Whip it up, baby. Make it for me.
It is a little embarrassing when someone catches you watching the Food Network. What are you watching? The Food Network. Well, why are your pants off?
I like food a lot.
I do love food. I like to eat late at night, too. You know, you're not supposed to eat late at night. And then again, you're not supposed to drink booze in the morning. And apparently, you're never supposed to smoke crack.